I was shocked. I said, what are you talking about? He said, tell us about the Zupco bus which was burnt in Highfield. I said, I don't know anything about the Zupco bus which was burnt in Highfield. I read about it in the newspapers. I wasn't even in Harare when that happened. He said, you are going to tell us today. He told me to lie down, removed my shoes, and he started beating me under my feet. Something I later learned that is called phalang. Then, one of the officers came with a contraption which looked like a telephone, with a receiver and a dialing ring. He connected to the electricity. He pretended to dial, and he put the receiver back. Then he walked towards me with two cords. He tied one on my pinky. He tied one on my toe. And he dialed that telephone. All I remember, I passed out from electric shocks. When I recovered, he said, are you ready to tell us about the Zupco bus which was burnt? And I said, I insisted I don't know anything about the Zupco bus which was burnt in Highfield. Meanwhile, I heard someone screaming next door. And he was shouting, Nare! Dibatsire! Nare! Dibatsire! And I recognized it was Job Scala's voice. So when I realized Job Scala was next door and he was going through what I was going through, I felt helpless. Because I thought, if a member of parliament had been arrested, there was going to be an outcry and he was going to be released, which was going to help me, an ordinary activist, to be rescued. Unfortunately, he was next door screaming, praying to his ancestors. I later learned Nare is one of his ancestors.